Nung binalitaan ako ni Honor na may bagong color na darating sa Honor 90, I was really excited. So, anong color yan? It's the Peacock Blue. Now, I believe na yung mga bagong colors, addition sa mga smartphone, does give a little bit of life back to yung series na yon. Kasi mga smartphone nowadays, hindi katulad dati na isang series, no, tumatagal mga 2 to 3 months ang hype. Ngayon, siguro mga 2 to 3 weeks pa lang nawawala na yung hype. And itong si Honor 90, heading towards Christmas, it's one of the good buys I would tell you. I think meron siyang freebie ongoing to buy this Peacock Blue. And I'm really excited to show you yung color nito. Everything remains the same except an upgrade sa kanyang color. Tara, tingnan natin. So the box remains the same. There's nothing really changed. So kita natin si 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage na ang kanyang color is Peacock Blue. So naturally, bubuksan natin here in front of you. Para makita natin yung excitement, no? In opening a new color na smartphone. So, ano na natin ang plastic. Yan. Dahan-dahan natin bubuksan, no? Oops. Ito. Aba. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Hindi ko pa tinatanggal yung sleeve. What more kung tanggalin natin yung sleeve? Tara, antayin natin. Ooh. Peacock Blue. Guys, ang ganda. Tingnan na ng color, no? I think itong Peacock Blue seems to be a bit better than yung silver na meron natin, no? Yung silver, mukha siyang, shiny na puti na medyo chromey finish. But this one, nakita nyo, parang may mga wave o mga buntot ng peacock na nag-stand out talaga siya, no? It's really different this time around. And ang kanyang camera module remains the same. And yung kanyang side frames dito, no, may kunting pagka-bluish touch this time around, no? Not really that silverish finish, but more of a bluish finish. And I'm really loving this color. And I would say na probably this is one of the color that you should try out if you are looking for a Honor 90 itong Christmas season, no? Perfect na perfect to pag-give sa mga friends and sa mga family. And probably para sa sarili nyo, no? This phone, it can perform. Sobrang ng kunat and sobrang ng tibay, si Honor 90. So we won't be doing any smash test dito just to show you na talagang matibay itong phone na ito. But more of pinapakita ko sa inyo ang ganda ng colorway na ng Honor 90. So guys, tinanggal ko na yung sticker dito sa ilalim just to let you see the beauty of the Peacock Blue ni Honor 90. And I would say na up close in person, it really looks nice. And ang ganda ng kanyang color. And I'm really loving this phone. And guys, if you haven't really watched yung aking Honor 90 na full review, be linking it up here para makita nyo ang full review ng Honor 90. So guys, if you want to know kung saan na pwede mabili itong phone na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share to your friends. And of course, a sub to this channel will definitely be excellent. I'll see you soon. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.